Hi, thanks for joining us here today at TotalMD. Today we're going to take a look at quickly posting a secondary payment. You can see in this ledger that a primary payment was made for $15, leaving a remainder of $20 for this particular charge. To post an EOB that you've received for a secondary insurance, you do it similarly to what you would a primary insurance by clicking on New Insurance Payment Adjustment. It's very nice in the screen. Rather than having to do the drop down and search for your secondary, you can go to the right and double click on it. It will bring that information into your box on the left. You then just enter your check number, your dollar amount, and then distribute just as you would in any other scenario. We'll put our payment in here, which gives us a zero balance on it. Post and close, it will tell us that it has been marked as paid. That's all there is to posting a secondary payment. If you have questions regarding this functionality of TotalMD, please give us a call, 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support, option 3 is training, and we would be happy to help you with any issues you have.